On the 1st of January 2026, a family celebration turned into a living nightmare in Jeffreys Bay, Eastern Cape, South Africa. By the end of that day, a 2-year-old child was in the hospital with 15 stab wounds on her head, face, chest, back, and hands. A 59-year-old caregiver had been arrested and would later appear in the Hammanstorp Magistrate Court, facing charges of child neglect and assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. But hours later, just after 4 a.m., none of this was known. Neighbors woke the child's father, Thumani Bangani, to tell him something was wrong. There were no details, only panic. He and the child's mother rushed to the house where their daughter had been left. When they arrived, police and the crowd were already there. Inside, their 2-year-old lay in a pool of blood, stabbed multiple times. A broken bottle was found nearby. There was no time for questions. As her father later said, "We didn't even get a chance to ask what happened. We just rushed her to the hospital." On the 1st of January 2026, the new year began not with celebration, but with sirens, trauma, and a betrayal of trust that will never be undone. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.